rehearse, i-rehearse on pa rin. I mean, if they do, let's say, dati, no, nung I did a project with them and we did Gento, ilang beses na nila ginawa yung Gento. But when they're practicing, even without me being there, nakataw pa rin sila, I like singing that. That means they're serious about what they want. They know they're world class. But they don't take it like, oh, okay na kami, world class na kami. No, it's like, we're world class, so let's continue. Kasi hindi lang kami ang inaano natin dito eh. We're representing every other artist in the Philippines.
I was telling them that earlier that I don't think people realize the amount of, it's not overnight that happens, but the amount of training and the amount of hours put into molding that craft is unimaginable. You have to understand that these people, at the end of the day, maybe they were talented raw, they were great, they were skilled, but to get to that point, the amount of hard work that they put in.
And they have to have a lot of determination to get to that point that SB19 is in.
So much respect for that.
I think they have set a standard though. It's a tough act to follow, but again, it's good to follow.
Galing sa side, parang nakaganon sa okay po. Sa cellphone po kami nakatingin. Then, camera. Yung dress. Action! Unbelievable!
Unbelievable ka sa TM Easy Circuit 5G!
Okay, lapit ka pa sa akin. Kung andyan ka na sa
The details, man. Look at the details. As you can see, there's a real stone in here. Oh my. Bakal to, no? Oo nga, bakal.
Hindi mo nakita yung ano
May araw ka kanina, di ba?
Wala na tinatang ko na eh.
Tira.
Sakat na eh.
Tignan nyo yung mga set design. Oh, books. Ang ganda. Amazing. So, paano yung naging preparation namin for bench body of work? Una, nag-ask kami ng help kung pwede merong coach sa amin sa pag-walk. Kasi wala naman kayo masyadong experience and hindi naman kami professional models. Like, sanay kami mag-perform, but nag-ask kami ng help kung sinong may magtuturo sa amin maglakad. Kailan namin si Coach Joshua na nagturo sa amin paano yung maglakad for this. So yun, thank you po Coach Josh, and again, thank you Bench for giving us this opportunity.